Hey everyone, welcome back to Tube4U. My name is Arpit. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: 7 proven ways to make money online from home. If you've been looking for ways to earn income from the comfort of your own home, you've come to the right place. So, let's dive right in. Method 1. Freelancing. Our first method is freelancing. It's a fantastic way to leverage your skills and expertise to earn money online. Platforms like Upwork and Freelancer provide a plethora of opportunities, whether you're a writer, designer, programmer, or even a virtual assistant. Showcase your talent and start bidding on projects that align with your skills. Method 2. Affiliate marketing. Next up, we have affiliate marketing. This is a popular method where you promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Join affiliate programs of trusted companies like Amazon, ClickBank, or ShareASale, and start promoting products that resonate with your audience. Method 3. Creating and selling online courses. Method number 3 is perfect if you have expertise in a particular field. Creating and selling online courses has become increasingly popular. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable allow you to share your knowledge with a global audience and earn money while doing so. Identify your area of expertise, plan your course content, and start teaching. Method 4. Dropshipping. Method number 4 is dropshipping. This business model eliminates the need for inventory management. You set up an online store, select products from suppliers, and when a customer places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to them. Platforms like Shopify make it easy to set up your dropshipping business and start selling products. Method 5. YouTube monetization. Moving on to method number 5, YouTube monetization. If you have a passion for creating videos, why not turn it into a source of income? Start a YouTube channel, consistently upload quality content, and grow your subscriber base. Once you meet the requirements, you can monetize your channel through ads, sponsored content, and even merchandise. Method 6. Stock trading. Method number 6 is stock trading. If you have an interest in the financial markets, consider learning the art of stock trading. Educate yourself on investment strategies, analyze market trends, and start small. Platforms like Robinhood and E-Trade provide easy access to trading and investing in stocks. Method 7. E-commerce and online store. Last but not least, we have method number 7, e-commerce and online stores. With platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, setting up your own online store has never been easier. Find a product niche, source or create products, and market your store to potential customers. Build a strong brand and provide exceptional customer service to ensure success. And there you have it, 7 proven ways to make money online from the comfort of your home. Remember, success won't happen overnight, but with dedication, hard work, and a willingness to learn, you can achieve your financial goals. Which method resonated with you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Tube4U channel for more valuable content. Until next time, happy online money making.